Welcome back everybody, this is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some huge Dogecoin news that just came out, and this is going to be between Elon Musk, Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, which are going to be working on one project all together, which is absolutely mind-blowing. These are going to be some massive news for Dogecoin, which could lead it to skyrocket upwards in the near future. But before we get into the news, I really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you guys have not yet, I'd really appreciate it a ton. Alright, so getting into Dogecoin. Currently, Dogecoin's sitting at around 37 cents. It really hasn't been moving a lot lately in the last few days. We had this huge spike up pre-Coinbase release, you can call it. So what happened was buy the rumor, sell the news. I predicted this on my channel where it was starting to rise up, and right when it was going to get released, it was probably going to dump. And what happened? It dumped from like 44 cents down to about 35 cents at the lowest point. And since then, we've just been consolidating right here. And I personally think this is a pretty good phase right now that we're in. Just consolidating, getting ready for a big explosion upwards. Hopefully not downwards. I'm pretty confident that we're going to see a bigger movement upwards rather than downwards, because I personally still think that we're in this bull run and we're not going into a bear market anytime soon. I think we still have about 4 to 8 months left in this bull market to make some very, very lucrative gains in the crypto market. So that's what's currently going on with the price of Dogecoin. And I wanted to mention really quickly that my Patreon is officially open. So if you guys want to join it, in there, I'm going to be giving you guys real-time buy-sell alerts whenever I'm personally buying or selling crypto. As you can see, I posted a few yesterday whenever I was doing some technical analysis on charts to give you guys a good idea of what's going through my mind when I'm trading, and to give you guys an idea of what you should be looking for when you're trading crypto, or if you're just a long-term investor, when is a good time to buy on the dip, what time is a good time to sell off a little bit of crypto to take some profits, all that kind of stuff I'll be mentioning and talking about and alerting you guys in my Patreon group. So if you want to go ahead and join that, there's going to be a link in the description down below. And just to give you guys an example really quickly from yesterday, what I posted, I said that we're probably going to see a struggle to break this 21-day EMA. And what you can see is, boom, exactly what I predicted happened. It fell down to this trend line right here as support. And I said that we're most likely going to see a double bottom, a reversal right around here. And it would be a pretty good buying opportunity to get in right now. And check out what happened next. We scroll up and we see Bitcoin shoot up way past that, up to around 36,100. So the movement was about $1,100 in Bitcoin, and I said this was a pretty good area to take profits, which it really was, because we got a really nice gain within just a few hours. I think this was like between 2 and 3 hours worth of time. So if you guys want to get alerts just like this, getting guys a good idea of when you could buy or sell your crypto, seeing what's going through my mind when I'm trading, make sure to check out the link in the description down below, and you'll be able to join the Patreon right there. Alright, so getting started with the news, we can see that Elon Musk reveals surprise support for Ethereum co-founder's amazing plan to upgrade joke Bitcoin rival Dogecoin. Well, that's a mouthful for the title of this article, but I actually read through this and I did some more analysis and research on this, and it turns out that that Elon Musk is obviously very bullish on Dogecoin. And like I mentioned in my previous videos, if you guys haven't seen them, I recommend you check them out. I did mention that if you connect the dots, it sounds like Elon Musk feels really bad for being late to something. And the thing he was late to this time was Bitcoin. He says he regrets not buying in 2013. And if we connect the dots, we can see that Dogecoin is his new Bitcoin, where he is trying to get in. He definitely got in early on Dogecoin. He pumped it through the roof, and now he's a huge supporter of Dogecoin, trying to make it the currency of the earth. And he's doing all he can to improve the project, develop it further, and do everything to reach that goal of becoming the global currency. So as we can see right here, we can see where this basically goes over where Tesla bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin and shot the price up. And then he eventually ended up selling because he had some concerns about the whole carbon, basically having Bitcoin mining bad for the economy. But then we see if I think we have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, that would be amazing. And then when Ethereum gets any scalability that works for Ethereum assets, you would be able to get to trade wrapped Doge with very low transaction fees and very high speed as well, says Buterin. And that was his response to Elon Musk's quote right here. There's a power behind someone like, oh, this isn't Elon Musk's quote, my bad. But the reporter said that there's a power behind Elon Musk pushing the development of a currency because he has such huge influential power. You can see that he literally has 56.7 million followers. That's a lot of followers and people who listen to him very, very closely. So we can see that him pushing this out is going to have probably going to cause a very wide scale adoption to Dogecoin. And I personally think that Elon Musk will probably be successful in making Dogecoin the world's currency eventually with time. Like, it's not going to happen overnight, but over time, if he sticks with it, I think it's definitely possible. And they also mentioned that is there a way to leverage that power and momentum to improve Ethereum. So basically talking about how Ethereum and Dogecoin can work together to improve each other. And right here you can see that Ethereum's upgrading into ETH 2.0, where they're going to be using proof of stake instead of proof of work to compete with their other competitors like Cardano and others. But also right here you can see that they mentioned that since Elon Musk started shilling out Dogecoin and saying how much he loves Dogecoin, he made the market cap grow by insane amounts up to nearly $50 billion market cap, which is the current market cap we can see right now, about roughly $50 billion. And then down below, we see some more important information right here. You can see that Musk said that he's going to put a literal Dogecoin into the moon, also pushing the price of Dogecoin up. But one key thing you want to pay attention to is Buterin warning people against having deep intentionality to Musk's comments on Dogecoin, something that Musk himself has said should not be taken seriously. Elon Musk says that he shouldn't be taken seriously with his little memes and his comments. And Buterin also warns against that. He says that, I think you'd be making a mistake if you ascribed any sophisticated malevolence or deep intentionality to the whole process. Elon is just a guy who likes dogs, just like I like dogs. I think that it's a little bit deeper than this. Elon Musk doesn't just like dogs. And like we said in the previous video, if you connect the dots, Elon Musk is trying to make Dogecoin the global currency, and he got in early on that, and I think he's going to put in 100% into doing everything he can to make Dogecoin the biggest project for being a peer-to-peer transaction currency. So I personally think that Dogecoin still has a far way to go upwards. I think that it has a lot of potential to grow. Like I said in my previous videos as well, I think a $1 Dogecoin is definitely possible by the end of this bull run. Even possibly a $1 to $3 Dogecoin, which would put the market cap at tops, around $250 billion market cap for Dogecoin. In my opinion, that's what it could hit basically. So that's basically it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the news, that I'm happy to hear that. And if you guys want to join that Patreon down below, it'll be in the link in the description. Make sure to join that if you want to get if you want to get all my buy and sell alerts whenever I'm buying and selling my crypto. And yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.